Hi, it's Cole Campbell from Applied Fasteners and Tooling. Today I'm down at Huntington Beach at Perfect Point, and I just want to run through a little demonstration of their Perfect Point Edrill system, which is in the market now. So this system here, it's all self-integrated. It has a panel that will identify the fastener, what type of electrode we're going to use, whether it's countersunk or protruding, and then it configures what the cut time is, how many cuts we've done, and also how many remain before we have to change the filter out. Across here we've got a little demo pad. If you zoom in a little bit, you'll see that we've located the fastener and zoom down to make sure that that's correct. Once it's locked in, it's not going to move. I've got a E-drill here with a center ground and an electrode. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to place that down and press the trigger. And what it's going to do is it literally vaporizes the fastener like an apple core. It's taking away the debris, and it's got a water system that allows it so that the structure doesn't get hot. The green light tells me I'm good. A little bit of a rock, and then I'm just going to check this fastener, and it's cold. So I'll take this away. You can see here, we've got a nice little ring. I'm now going to use the punch. And all I have to do is place the punch into the cruciform like this, press the trigger, and I have a head of the fastener and the tail of the fastener. No damage to the hole, and there's no FOD. So I think Perfect Point have done a great job on this, and we will have a unit down in Australia during the year, and it'll be demonstrated. It'll be at Avalon Air Show, and I'm sure that there's going to be a lot of interest. So thanks to Jim and the crew at Perfect Point, and look forward to helping out and supporting the industry.